Hey, what is up everyone? So for today, I have my Boomba blow-off valve for the Focus ST. Actually, let me grab it out of here real quick. I have the Boomba ST, it's right here. Came in pretty quickly, so let's get this installed. So to be able to get ready with this install, all we have to do really is take off our front passenger wheel. So let's go ahead, start breaking some nuts loose, and then taking off that wheel and jacking up the car. So you can't get it to focus much, but it's right there, the bypass valve. I have to see exactly what screw size they are, so I'll let you guys know in a bit. So I took off the first set of screw, and I used a T30, and I think you're supposed to use an Allen, but I don't have any Allens at the moment, and this is the one that made it fit, and it did not destroy the head bolt, so I'm gonna continue doing that for the rest of them. Also, while you're at it, make sure you take off this little hose that's right here with the needle nose plier, this right here, the clamp, and you pull it all the way off, alright? Now, just to make a little small side-by-side comparison, this is your stock bypass valve. As you can see, it's all plastic, just one little spring in there. And then this is your Boomba one, and it fell. As you guys can see, pretty big, pretty massive, and no plastic. So here goes the solenoid. I kind of just got a screwdriver, pressed it on this side, pressed it on this side, slipped it out. That was okay. And now we gotta, since it's the Boomba one, we're gonna fit it back on. You gotta cut from here to here. So this notch is gonna go away. So this is what it should look like at the end, or something like that. So now we can get this guy installed. This guy should go over it, and we should be ready to go. Okay, so the way this works, if this would focus, is you install this one small one in first, and then the big ones go in with the bracket over it. So you can see it in there now, and honestly, it's only a pain trying to put everything back in, but unfortunately it comes with two of these little guards. I couldn't put one on just because it's so difficult for the top one. So it's nothing bad, it's just you want to make sure you have it, or it's just personal option. So for me, I just went with one and not the other, so let's hear it out and see how it sounds. So looking at everything, it seems to only really blow off at like 3,000, 2,500 RPM. So we're gonna go ahead and drive it and see how it sounds. Excuse the whole noise and all that. But at the end of the day, it sounds pretty decent. I always heard that they were super loud and all this other stuff, but honestly, I feel like it wasn't too loud. I mean, you could hear it when you're shifting and goes psh, but it's not an overbearing sound. Like, I'm pretty sure if you have your windows up and music blasting or whatever, you won't hear it. Maybe windows up, light music, you probably won't, you would barely even hear it. But honestly, like, it only goes off when you press on the gas and it goes up to 2,500 RPM. Under that, it doesn't even make a noise. And I drove it around, you guys will see the clip. and honestly it's not that bad. I can live with it. I like it, and hopefully you guys did like the install and the short little review of driving it around. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Bye.